Antics, welcome to my channel. Hope you are well today. We have another DIY project to get stuck into in the form of making your own cleaning products. Now these are all made from natural ingredients and help spruce up your home this spring, and hopefully we'll get rid of some of those bugs and viruses that are going around. So in this video we are looking at making 4 different natural products to clean your homes with. One being an all-purpose cleaner, the second being a glass cleaner, the third being a scouring powder, and the fourth being some toilet fizzes to keep your home nice and fresh during spring and all year hopefully. So if it sounds like something you would like to have a go at, then let's get crafting. To make the all-purpose cleaner, you are going to need a 1/4 cup of Castile soap, distilled water or cooled boiled water, and 20 to 30 drops of your chosen essential oil. I am using orange essential oil in this instance. You will also need an empty, clean spray bottle. First, you need to add in your water to the spray bottle. Now you want this to go to about 3/4 way full of the bottle because you will need to add in your Castile soap next. We are adding in the water first because if you add the Castile soap in first, this will start to foam as you pour in the water, making a mess everywhere, and you won't be able to get the correct amount into your spray bottle. Then it is time to add in your Castile soap. Now be careful, and you probably should use a funnel for this to make sure it goes in. I got it a bit down the bottle when I first started doing this, but it's fine, we've still got the correct amount in there. Then it is time to add in your chosen essential oils, and you want to do 20 to 30 drops of these each. Once this is in, give the bottle a good shake to fully combine everything together, and your all-purpose cleaner is ready. Making the glass cleaner is very similar to the all-purpose cleaner, except you will need a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, distilled or cooled boiled water, and 20 to 25 drops of your chosen essential oil or oils. I am opting for lemon and lime essential oils for this. You will also need a trigger spray bottle. Start by measuring out your 1/4 cup of white vinegar and placing this into your bottle. Now again, I didn't use a funnel, but it would be advisable to do so because you are going to end up with vinegar everywhere. Once the vinegar is added to your bottle, it is time to add in your chosen essential oils. Again, I am using a lemon essential oil followed by a lime essential oil just to give it that citrusy kick. I split the 25 drops of essential oils between them both, so you work out which fragrance you would prefer to come through a bit more stronger. It does neutralise the vinegar slightly, but you can still smell the vinegar. Don't worry though, the vinegar smell doesn't last long once you are cleaning. And finally, you want to add in your distilled or cooled boiled water to the vinegar essential oil mix, filling this up to the top of the bottle. Secure on your trigger spray to the bottle and then give the mixture a good shake, and your glass cleaner is ready to go. The scouring powder is really easy to make. All you need is bicarbonate of soda, 20 drops of your chosen essential oil, I am using lime oil here, and an empty glass jar. Make sure that your glass jar is clean and dry inside, and then fill it up with your bicarbonate of soda. Then add in your 20 drops of essential oil and mix it together as thoroughly as you can in the jar. This scouring powder can be used two different ways. One, just sprinkling the powder onto a stain and letting it soak in and then scrubbing it off. Or if you want a bit more of a lather to it, take a bit of the scouring powder and mix it together with a bit of Castile soap. This will just give it a bit of a foam and you can really scrub whatever you want to get scrubbed. Place on your lid, give it a quick shake, and your scouring powder is ready to go with however you want to use it. Making these toilet fizzes is very similar to how you make a bath bomb. Check out the card above for how to make a bath bomb, but otherwise, to make these toilet cleaning fizzes, you are going to need 1 cup of bicarbonate of soda, half a cup of citric acid, some spritz of your all-purpose cleaner you made earlier, and 30 drops of your chosen essential oil. I am opting for tea tree oil and lime oil because I thought they would give it a really nice clean and fresh scent. Start by placing your cup of bicarbonate soda into a large bowl, and then you want to add in your citric acid, which is at half cup. Then give these a quick mix together with a whisk or a spoon. Then it is time to add in your chosen essential oil or oils. Because I am using 2 different oils, I just split the amount in half, so I used 15 drops of each oil. However, you can choose how many drops you want of each depending on how strong you want which fragrance to come through. Make sure that your fizzes don't fizz as you are adding this, and if they do start to fizz slightly, you want to begin mixing in whilst you are adding in the oils. If the fizzes fizz too much, they won't actually fizz in the bowl of the toilet, so make sure they are not doing this. And now it is time to bind your fizzes together by spritzing in a few sprays of your all-purpose cleaner that we made earlier. Keep mixing this in as you go. Again, if it starts to fizz, you want to really mix this in fast because you don't want to lose that fizziness of your toilet fizzes. Keep adding until you can clump the mixture together and it doesn't fall apart too much. You don't want it too wet, but you don't want the mixture too dry either. Using a small bath bomb mould, place some of your mixture into one half, slightly overfilling this, and repeat with the other half of the mould. Then you want to gently press these together so that they stick together in the middle. Remove any excess and then remove the mould. If it has worked, you will have a fully formed fizzy. Then place this onto a prepared sheet to let dry overnight. If you don't have a bath bomb mould, you could use an ice cream scoop or just form these into a ball by hand. So you have how to make your own cleaning products using natural ingredients and essential oils, perfect for cleaning your home this spring and all year round, whichever you choose to do. Now, just a note on the essential oils, make sure you do your own research because a lot of essential oils are harmful to your pets, so make sure you research before adding any in. As well, young children, there's certain essential oils you shouldn't use around them as well, so make sure you do your own research before adding to these products. Now, you don't necessarily need to add essential oils, you can use these unfragranced. I just like to add them to add a bit more fragrance to the home when I've been cleaning. So if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with more of my crafting antics. There will be more travel stuff coming up when we are able to travel around again, and I am able to travel around again. But for the meantime, there's probably going to be more crafty videos coming up onto the channel. Check out my blog linked below as well, because there's always a ton more information over on Aimsy's Antics. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!